Exercise 7.1, question number 3. Determine if the three given points are collinear in this question or not. We are given 3 points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11, and we have to determine whether these 3 points are collinear or not. So let A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C minus 2, minus 11 be the given points, and we have to determine whether these 3 points ABC are collinear or not. When 3 points are collinear, if ABC 3 points are collinear, that is they lie on the same line, then AB plus BC should be equal to AC. If we change the positions of these 3 points ABC, then we can say that if BC plus AB is equal to AC, then 3 points are collinear, or AB plus AC is equal to BC, then also 3 points ABC are collinear. So here, using distance formula, we shall find out distance AB, BC, AC, and then we shall verify whether these 3 points are collinear or not. So using distance formula, we have, let us first find distance AB. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First point is A 1, 5, so let it be x1 y1. Second point is B 2, 3, so let it be x2 y2. So 2 is x2, 1 is x1. So under root 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 3 minus 5 whole square, 3 minus 5 whole square. This is equal to 2 minus 1 whole square, 1 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 square. 1 square 1 plus minus 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 5, under root 5 units. Then we shall find BC using same distance formula. For calculation of BC, this point B is going to be the first point x1 y1 and C second point x2 y2. So x2 is minus 2, x1 is 2. So x2 minus x1 whole square minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 11 minus 3 minus 11 minus 3 whole square equal to minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 14 whole square equal to under root 16 plus 196 equal to 212 units. So this is distance BC. Now let us find out AC. For calculation of AC, this point A1, 5 is x1, y1 and C minus 2, minus 11 is x2, y2. So x2 is minus 2, x1 is minus plus 1. So x2 minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square minus 3 whole square plus minus 16 whole square. 9 plus 256 under root 265 units. AC is under root 265. Here under root 5 plus under root 212 is not equal to under root 265. That is AB plus BC is not equal to AC. Hence, given points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are not collinear. So this way 3 given points are not collinear points, they do not lie on a line.